Hello, this is my first video of this channel and I'm very excited to talk about this. So these are the 5 ways by which you can make money in 2022. So let us pre-assume you have some skills or you know some things that you can do. For example, Word, PowerPoint or anything, to be honest. First thing is freelancing. So freelancing is an open sea right now, and you must be saying that in such a competitive market. Yeah, in a competitive market, because I know that you have skills or any one of you can do anything because it's how a person works. But still, let's go on to the topic. It's all about what you do. For example, I do graphic designing and video editing, which works fine for me as it has high demands in the market. You must be saying what we can do that does not have high demands. That's the point. Like, if something has less demand, there are less people working for it. For example, content writing. If you go onto Fiverr and search for content writing, you may be finding 7,000, 8,000 people there. But if you search, like, say, logo designing, so you'll find 23,000 people working there. So you see the competition. Maybe there are less searches for that, but still you have a higher chance to get some orders or anything. People pay for everything. If you say you make designs, you make drawings, you can make art skills, you can bring badges, emblems, you can do anything on Fiverr or Upwork. You just have to wait. Yeah, but that's the kick. You have to wait, you have to be patient and all. If you have patience, you have hard work, you have time, you can be successful in freelancing. I know people with more than $100,000 as earning in only 2-3 years from freelancing. Yeah, and you can do it without those platforms as I talked about, Fiverr and Upwork. You can do it by mailing people. For instance, you can search up on Google for businesses, mainly small businesses that does not have some exposure or anything. For example, if you are a website developer, say, so you go and contact those people and you let them know that you are a graphic designer, you can do this, or you are a web developer, you can do this, you can make them a website. So they'll be interested in talking to you, letting you know that are they fine be working with you or anything. Yeah, so freelancing works still in 2020. Yes. Second thing on our list is it's not meant for everybody, but yeah, it's kind of made for everybody because I think you guys have skills, that's why you are watching till now. So it's about coursework, and to be specific, you can give it online, offline, any ways you want. We have people to learn everywhere. For if you want to give it on online, you can try Unacademy or Udemy. These platforms work very well, they have high paying and everything. First, you can try slow, you can give free tuitions or classes or any coursework that you want to give on these platforms, and when you get some traffic, say people are watching it, some people have watched it, they liked it, they left some reviews, some good reviews, you can work on it, you can push yourself and start doing everything that you can for that coursework so that people buy it, and when people buy it, you earn money. That's what I want from this video for all of you guys. So, and staying about offline, you can have some desks or maybe some open space in your house, and if that you does not have that, it's all about online. You can contact people in your neighborhood or anything. You can have posters printed out, you can stick them to people's walls if they allow, or so you can let people know that you are a person, you have this contact details, this. They can contact you, they can learn this from you, and you are good to go. You can sell them things or anything. So this is what coursework can give you. Like, it can give you a monthly earning on some basis. Like, if you go online, you won't be getting monthly earnings on a standard basis, but if you go like for tuitions or anything, then you can get like monthly earnings. For instance, some parents tell you or some guy tell you that I'll pay at the month end. That's good for you. Your earning is like passive income at a good rate. Third thing on our list is flipping. It's just like a coin, you flip it. Yeah, not like that. Easier said than done. So what I'm saying is, you can do stuff to get you money, right? But sometimes you have to spend some. Say less, you have 5,000 rupees in your pocket and you think like you can make it a 15. How? You can start flipping things. For instance, you can buy second-hand books. It's just an idea, I'm not telling you to do this, but yeah. For instance, you buy 5,000 worth of books, best selling, best anything that people may buy, or you know the market, or you know the things that people buy. You can do anything. Yeah, so it's all about here. So what you want to do is, and don't be with my expressions or anything. I do talk like this with hands and all, so don't be scared. So you can flip things up like shoes, books, let it be pens or anything, any expensive thing, non-expensive thing. It must be used or may not be. It might be sitting at someone's place. You buy it, you sell to someone for some profit. Say I bought a book for 350. It's MRP at 1100, so I sold it for 800. As saying it's a second-hand book, and if you go to the market, you buy it for 100 and 1100. So it's better to go 800, right? People will buy it. So yeah, there are some nitpicks, like you cannot have books that are some like that have some cuts or anything. You need almost pinpoint perfect things. For example, shoes. We say about shoes, their grips and everything. So it all depends about what your reach is, what you can provide to people, or what you can find for it. So anything. And second, you have margins in it, like good margins in it. As I told you, for a 350 book into 800, it's a good margin to my understanding. Yeah. So the fourth topic on our list is YouTube. And I know it's 2022 and most people are not going to do it, but still I'm telling you guys this because it's one thing that pays a high amount of money for the number of hours you put into it. Like after some time, after some patience, you get to get $100 an hour of work, and who knows how much, because it's all about luck and hard work and patience. I know people who grew into $1 million businesses in just 1 or 2 years. Like I know one person specifically who got 1 point something $1 million into earning in just first year. So yes, it is a good part-time job or business or any passion you might say, if you want to do it. Like if you put the hard work, the time into it, it might grow. And the key thing is the quality of your work. Like if you have good quality of content, I may not have it right now, but you'll see in just 5, 10, 20 videos, you'll see a difference. And that's what everyone wants. They want to see that growth you have, the content growth you have. If your content is good, the people are learning from it or anything, they are entertained, they will watch your videos again and again and again. So that's the thinking behind it. You need to have a good content, you have to have good patience skills, and you might don't want to show your face or don't want to have your voice into it. Like I have the courage to do it, you might not. You can make top 10 videos, like those are not easy, but yes, you can do them. You can have voiceovers, the company will not have any problems with that because they're getting free promotion with that, with your videos. If you make top 10 videos, reviews, anything, you can do it. You can do it on YouTube. Saying it's not that, yeah. It's not 18 plus content right now. I know it sucks. My content sucks, but still, it's my first video. So I'm not worried about that. So the fifth thing in our list is, and it's not in our list, but yeah, it's my opinion. You might want to do it, you might not want to do it. It is affiliate marketing. If you have good people in your connections, or you know people, a lot of people I might say, so you can do affiliate marketing, or you have a steady growth in like followers or anything, you can do it. With this, you have the opportunity to earn the maximum profit. I'm literally saying maximum profit because it has that. You just have to paste. It is not a proper income, you might say, but the amount of work that it demands and the amount you are getting paid after it, it's just amazing. So the fifth thing on our list is affiliate marketing or Instagram businesses or Facebook businesses. You can start them easily. You just need an Instagram page, or like it's easier said than done. Again, like you can have an Instagram page, you can have a Facebook page, you can have anything there. You can have your art skills showing up there. You have great content writing, you have poetry, you have essays, you can put anything there. You have memes, for example, like people pay for advertisements on a meme page. I know people, I know one meme page that personally was my friends. So you can do that. Also, coming to like affiliate marketing is not easy. You need a large audience, you need people who are willing to like buy the thing that you are sending them or sharing the link. So it's all about what there is to offer. This video tells you that you have these opportunities in front of you if you want to work, if you have patience, if you have skills to do that hard work. For affiliate marketing, you can have a WhatsApp group or a family group, or let people know that they should send you the Amazon links that the things they want to buy. You can send them affiliate links of that thing and tell them that you can give some cash in exchange of that, or you can give something off, or it's maybe just because they want to help you. Like you can ask for that, and if they do it, like you will get some profit, you will earn something every month, because many people use Amazon and Flipkart every day now and then. So it is one of the great things to do in 2022. And coming about Instagram pages, I know a lot of pages which get high earnings at 5k or 10k followers. I know that's a big number to reach, but as I said, patience and hard work. If you put the patience and hard work, you have good skills. Say you make jewelry, you make resin jewelry, you can make resin jewelry, make reels, make everyday things with that, and people will watch it. I'm telling you, people will watch it, people will buy it from you, people will pay for your skill. It's all about skill these days. I'm not telling you to open a blog, because that's hard and that's difficult. This video consists of very moderate to hard, or most of them are easy skills to do. Like you can go up to Canva, you can do freelancing for easily. These are the skills that pay a lot of money in 2022, and you'll be thanking me once you get to that position that you are earning good, or your family is supporting you, that what you are doing. Everything in this list or everything in this video, you will only take yours like 5 or 10 minutes. Most of the things like posting or anything, if you have Instagram business, it's all about 5 or 10 minutes a day. But if you have freelancing, it might take 1 or 2 hours in a day. That's not difficult. You can have time management skills, you can read books, you can do anything to be more productive. I'll be posting some videos to how to be productive, but staying on the video now, you can do anything that you want. You can earn by yourself, you can have money of yourself for yourself, and people will respect your skills and everything, they'll pay for it. So this was all in this video. I'll be posting some new videos. I'll be telling you how to do freelancing, how to create social media pages and all in upcoming videos, and that might help you. So stick around. If you like this video, click a like button, and if you know some people who are for your friends, you can share it to them. They'll be very happy to see this video, I'm sure of it. And consider subscribing. Thank you.